Get your heart pumping and fat burning with the Exerpeutic folding Bluetooth Smart Cloud Fitness magnetic upright exercise bike with goal setting and free app. With the app, you can easily and accurately track your workouts on your mobile devices. Choose between 3 workout goal settings in the MyCloudFitness app, including time, distance, and calories burned. Uniquely designed, the Exerpeutic folding upright exercise bike allows users to get easily on and off the bike, which is capable of supporting users between 5 foot 3 inches and 6 foot 1 inches and up to 300 pounds. An 8-level magnetic tension control system allows the user to adjust the tension level for an easier or more difficult workout. The smooth, high-torque cranking system, precision balanced flywheel, and V-belt drive provide a fluid and quiet operation, letting you watch TV or listen to music while working out. An oversized seat cushion, perfect for users of any size, keeps you comfortable during your entire workout, and the seat can easily be adjusted. An easy-to-read 3.5-inch large window LCD display shows real-time workout information, including distance, calories burned, time, speed, pulse, and scan, while hand pulse sensors monitor your heart rate. The Exerpeutic folding upright exercise bike is equipped with Bluetooth smart technology and comes with our free iOS and Android compatible MyCloudFitness app. Extended leg stabilizers prevent any movement or tipping, while the large pedal design and safety strap prevent feet from slipping, keeping you safe during exercise. Convenient smartphone and accessory holders keep your devices and personal items within reach as you exercise. When not in use, the bike can be folded to almost half the assembled size, making it uniquely compact. Built-in transportation wheels make it easy to move for storage. Bring your workout routine anywhere with the Exerpeutic folding Bluetooth Smart Cloud Fitness magnetic upright exercise bike with goal setting and the free MyCloudFitness app.